What if everything the medical mainstream told us about getting older and losing muscle is just completely backwards? Hey fellas, I'm your host, and today I'm sharing my own personal, literal game-changing journey to claw back my strength from the grip of aging. We're talking about dodging the walker, staying out of the nursing home, and keeping your independence for good. In this explainer, I'm going to walk you through the exact science-backed blueprint I used to literally reverse the clock on my muscles. And the crazy part? It all hinges on this hidden midnight superfood that rebuilds your body while you sleep. But I'm going to keep that exact solution under wraps until the very end, so stick with me. So, what if I told you that the mainstream advice we've all been spoon-fed, to eat less, move gently, and just accept the decline, is actually the absolute worst thing you can do for your body? For years, we've been told that losing your edge after 60 is just, well, part of getting older. But the latest clinical research proves that is a massive misconception. Real talk, guys. Just a few years ago, I was staring down a genuinely terrifying reality. I was losing my stamina, my muscles felt flat and weak, and I was looking right at the looming threat of the wheelchair waiting at the end of a protein-deficient decade. I was dealing with plunging testosterone levels, a loss of independence, and this scary acceleration of muscle wasting. It was a wake-up call that hit me like a ton of bricks. But I absolutely refused to just roll over. I dug deep into the clinical research, pored over countless medical journals, and discovered a literal midnight superfood that actively rebuilds your body overnight. It is a total game changer, and like I promised, I'm going to reveal exactly what it is and how to use it at the very end of this explainer. Okay, part one, restarting the muscle engine. The very first thing I had to figure out was, is the damage permanent? So the big, scary medical term doctors use for all this is sarcopenia. And man, I was terrified of it. But the science showed me that this condition isn't some inevitable death sentence for your muscles. It's actually a nutritional crisis. And the best part? Because it's nutritional, it is largely reversible as long as you feed your body the right stuff at the right time. My search for answers led me to this absolutely mind-blowing clinical study. They tracked a group of men averaging around 70 years old. And get this, they didn't put them on light, breezy stretching routines. No, they put them on a 12-week resistance training program combined with creatine supplementation. Now, what's totally wild about these results is the sheer magnitude of the gains. These 70-year-old guys packed on 3.3 kilos. That's over 7 pounds of solid lean tissue. And they saw massive, statistically significant strength gains in their 1-rep max leg press. This absolutely proved to me that older muscles aren't dead, right? They're just starving for the right stimulus and the right fuel to grow. And look, if one study wasn't enough, there's a massive meta-analysis analyzing nearly 21,000 older adults that completely confirmed my findings. The researchers found that pairing resistance training with high leucine whey protein is literally the ultimate blueprint for healthy aging. That specific combination produced the greatest improvements in muscle mass, leg strength, and walking mobility. Seeing that, I knew it was time for me to hit the gym and hit it hard. Which brings us to part two, feeding your hormones. Because hitting the weights wasn't enough. I realized I had to stop sabotaging my own hard-earned gains. Check out this stat, guys. I learned that 20% of men over 60 have clinically low testosterone. And that number, it absolutely skyrockets to 50% by the time we hit age 80. When your T levels drop, you get hit with unexplained weight gain, zero energy, and your muscle mass literally just melts away. So the crucial pivot here is taking control of what goes on your plate. I immediately swapped out the heavy testosterone killers. Science shows that sugary drinks and fried, ultra-processed foods literally crush your T levels. So I threw all that junk out and replaced it with serious hormone builders. We're talking healthy fats from salmon, whole eggs, and oysters, which are just absolutely loaded with zinc. Fun fact, just 2 oysters give you your entire daily requirement of zinc, which is basically the lifeblood mineral for testosterone production. I even added this specific daily beverage to my routine. Studies out of the UK found that drinking pomegranate juice every day can spike your salivary testosterone levels by an impressive 24% in just 2 weeks. It's an incredibly easy, tasty hack that lowers stress hormones and gets your blood flowing. Moving right along to part 3, the Japanese longevity secret. My search for muscle-saving foods took me all the way to the Kyoto connection. I discovered this incredible food called natto. It's a traditional Japanese dish made of fermented soybeans that cardiologists in Kyoto have been quietly recommending for decades. And this perfectly illustrates why whole foods matter so much. Natto delivers the highest concentration of vitamin K2 on the planet. And why does K2 matter for guys over 60? Because it's the exact nutrient that drives calcium straight out of your arteries and right into your bones and muscles where it actually belongs. It's a phenomenal superfood for staying strong. But all of this was ultimately leading up to our final piece of the puzzle, part 4, the Midnight Miracle Rebuilder. How to rebuild while you literally sleep. All right, here is the stark reality of sleep for an older guy. Let's say your last meal digests around 8 p.m. By 1 a.m., because you're fasting, muscle breakdown starts accelerating. By 4 a.m., your body is in a deep catabolic state. It is literally eating its own hard-earned muscle tissue because there are no new amino acids entering the system. And the result? You wake up at 7 a.m. weaker than when your head hit the pillow. But here is the absolute game changer. I dug up a landmark clinical trial by Dr. Ravi Kumar showing a specific nutritional trick that flips this entirely on its head. Researchers found a method that increases overnight muscle protein synthesis by an astonishing 22% in healthy older men averaging 74 years old. 22%. And that secret solution I promised you at the very beginning, the midnight superfood, it's good old-fashioned cottage cheese. Yeah, really. Cottage cheese is packed with casein protein. Unlike whey, which spikes and drops real quick, casein forms a gel in your stomach and provides a slow, steady drip of amino acids straight into your bloodstream for up to 7 solid hours. It actively fights off muscle breakdown all night long. The clinical protocol they used is dead simple. And honestly, it's exactly what I do now. Step 1. Get about 40 grams of casein protein. That's a hefty serving of 2% cottage cheese. Step 2. Eat it exactly 30 minutes before you hit the sack. Step 3, go to sleep. It doesn't disrupt your sleep quality at all. Instead of wasting away, your body will actively rebuild and repair your muscles while you dream. It is literally the ultimate life hack for guys our age. So gentlemen, the power to reverse aging, build muscle, spike your hormones, and keep your independence is firmly back in your hands. It is not about accepting the decline. It's about fighting back with science. So I'll leave you with this. What will your very first step be tonight? Are you going to commit to hitting the weights? Or are you going to grab a bowl of cottage cheese before bed? The choice is totally yours. Keep learning, keep pushing, and I'll catch you on the next explainer.